In front of me is Xiaomi Mix Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting one of your apps to use in this view and launch it in the background. Following that, hold it and click on this icon with two rectangles. Then tap on Home button and select the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!